Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have these 5 cleaning tips using vinegar. I'm sure at least one of them will be helpful to you. Or just maybe to let you know that there are different ways of doing things. It is very cheap and can be found everywhere. So let's see what they are. You have a pan that has stains from use and that are a little difficult to remove. Just like the ones I show you on the screen that I hope look good. But they are one of those that look like something is still stuck to the pan and it won't come off. But don't worry, we are only going to add 1 or 2 cups of vinegar in the same part of water. We turn the stove on to high heat and let it boil for about 5 or 10 minutes depending on the stain we have. After the time has passed, we just rinse it and you will immediately notice a big difference. Since there will be almost no stains and we will also have disinfected it. If there are still a few stains left, we repeat the process until they are all removed. They don't want to have 20,000 products to clean every surface in their kitchen and bathrooms. They can make a homemade and very effective one. They just take a spray bottle and fill a third of it with vinegar and fill the rest with water. Just add a few drops of dish soap to the last one and that's it. Just shake it to mix perfectly and you have a disinfectant cleaner to use in your kitchen, bathrooms and other surfaces you want to clean. And it is just as effective as any of the ones you buy in the supermarket. Have any of your children, nephews or grandchildren thought of making a work of art with crayons on their wall? Don't worry, just take a cloth and put enough vinegar on the same cloth or directly on the wall. We just scrub it and in a matter of minutes we will have the wall clean and disinfected. And without the colored stain, as you can see in the video. If you see that there are still residues left, repeat the process again. Do you feel that your refrigerator smells very bad, either because you left work done the other day or you left a container with food open and now the entire appliance smells like that? It is not difficult to remove. Just take a glass or container and pour about a cup of vinegar in it and put it in the refrigerator. Leave it there for a day and as time passes your refrigerator will be free of odors and it will also have been disinfected. If you have these stains that are caused by leaving the glasses directly on the wood and furniture, and they do not come off no matter how much you scrub and clean them, don't worry, just take a container and pour the same part of olive oil, which in this case I use normal oil, and put the same amount of mineral. They mix it very well and once they have done it we just take a paper towel and impregnate it with the mixture. Now we just apply it and what this liquid is going to do is that it is going to give a protective layer to the wood at the same time that we are going to remove it, so to speak. And thus it will recover almost its original state, just as if we were adding some wood protector. We just let it sit for a couple of minutes and transferred it to a dry paper towel. And that's where you're going to notice the difference. The stain that I had shown you is now almost imperceptible and it also looks brighter and cleaner. Now just repeat this process from time to time so that the wood stays clean and free of these types of stains. And as you could see, with just a little vinegar we can clean almost all the surfaces in our home or office in a simpler and more effective way. And the best of all is that it is a very cheap product and is available almost everywhere. Try any of these tips and you will see that they all work perfectly. In any case, I always like to read your comments to see if the advice was useful to you. As you already know, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thank you for watching and I hope you like these tips. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.